have been taken for tonight's session, because it's going to be massive and we wouldn't want you to miss it out. And then I'm going to also share a link regarding yesterday's video of one of the videos that were recorded that we did some time ago. So we'll be sharing the link to that video. All right, so if you can hear me clearly and see my screen. Yeah, Mr. Joseph, please, can you please stop sharing your screen, sir? Thank you very much. Yeah, thank you very much. So if you can see my screen and hear my voice, I'd like you to just drop a 2 on the chat. You can see my screen and you can hear my voice. All right. Is it Miss Okwe Gloria? Yes, thank you very much. You've been active. Have you been into Forex? Your name on Telegram is Okwe Gloria 2005 FX. Okay, maybe FX means something else. All right, so let's move straight to the points. Yeah, thank you very much, guys, for joining in on Thursday, Friday, and today being the grand finale. You're welcome. We are pleased to have you here. It's our pleasure. Trust me, the entire Jerry FX team, it's our pleasure to have you here, and we are glad to have every one of you here, and we don't take your time for granted. I mean, some of you were supposed to be watching the Champions League finals, but you're here. We really appreciate this sacrifice. Some of you have other things to do. This is the first day of the month of June. Some people have plans to do, some have preparations for so many things, right? But you have taken our time to be here. We don't take that for granted, not a bit. We don't take that for granted, and we are glad that you're here, and we are happy also from our part to give out value. One of the things we believe here at Jerry FX is that when value is given, when somebody sets out to teach what he or she knows, the first partaker in every lecture is first the lecturer. That is what we believe, because as we teach you, we learn. As we teach you, we learn. I always try to say this every I have the opportunity to speak to people. It is always an opportunity for me to speak. Same with every one of us here, because this is a culture we try to imbibe. All right, let's go straight to the point. This is 5 minutes past 8. So tonight is the grand finale, as you all know. So we'll be going straight to the point, and trust me, you have a whole lot of sauce right here. So once again, this is Jerry FX Trades. Welcome to the grand finale in this 3 days boot camp. Now let's move straight to the point. So the first thing we'll be discussing tonight, as you can see lined up in my table of contents, the course content, number 1 is the TradingView system. Yes, so yesterday I began by telling you about the trading platforms or the applications we need that are required, the essential applications for trading the Forex industry. And I gave it to you two. I gave you two. Number 1 is the TradingView, and number 2 is the MetaTrader 5. So we'll be looking into these two today. We'll be starting with the TradingView system. So I just want to show you how to navigate through the TradingView system. Yes, I just remembered, none of you submitted your assignments. None of you submitted your assignments. Okay. None of you submitted your assignments. All right. So we'll be looking into the TradingView system. We'll be looking into the TradingView system. So let's go. Let's go. I just want to show you how to navigate through the TradingView. How to navigate the TradingView. If you are using a laptop, it's much easier, but trust me, that is not. You are not also left behind if you don't have a laptop or a desktop computer or access to a large screen as this. If you are using a mobile device, maybe your iPhone or your Android device, trust me, you're not left out. Personally, I started with a phone. Like, I used phone for, in fact, all the essentials I learned using a phone. Even with through the advanced level, I started with a phone. So, but we thank God for increase. So you're not left out. So now let's move into the matter of the evening. Now, the TradingView system, I've already showed you how you get access to the TradingView, right? How you access the page. If you don't want to download it, I have it right. I think I have it on. I'm using a Chromebook for this call. I have it, as you can see. Let me show you. You can see my trading view right here. Of course, I do have it. So, but I just love the web version. I love the web version. I don't know why. I love the web version. Yes, and I also don't switch off my Chromebook. I don't. It's always on hibernation. So if you're using the web version, I dropped the link for you guys yesterday. You can access that. Maybe I'll pin the link for you guys right now. Let me see it. Okay, let me just pin it for you guys. Okay, let me pin it right here. Are they pinning something again? All right. Yes, I just pinned it. So you can just go there, you log in. So this is the trading view once you're on your system like this. Now, for those of you who logged in into the trading view, there is something you'll notice. Let me just set my stuff to default. Let me see. So when you log into your trading view, pretty much this is how you get to see it. It's going to be in this color like this. Yes, green, red. The wick is also green, and this will be red. Yes, pretty much like this. I don't know. Do I have a witness? Those of you who logged into your trading view first, was it the way you saw it? Do I have a witness? Do I have those who logged in their trading view? Now, pretty much this is the way you see it when you logged in your trading view. Now, but for me, I don't really so much like the color. So what I do is I go to the settings, as you can see where my cursor is, to the top right corner where you see this. Does that look like a not icon? Chart settings to be precise, or you can right click on anywhere in the box. Just right click and you come down to the last panel there, the settings, and you see here we have it. You can see the body now. All these green colors you are seeing here, everything here represents all these up candles. As you can see right here, all the up candles are what? Green. And this other side, the right side, represents all sell candles. As you can see, every candle that is going down is what? Is green. Is what? Sorry, red. So now you can do your editing. For me, I love black and white. So what I do is I set all my buy candles to what? To white. So I'll come. The first one talks about what? The body. So you click on white. You can see it has changed, right? And I'll go to the red candles. Let's finish the buy candles. So I'll go to the border. I love it black. And I go to the wick. I'll explain what the wick is and I'll put it black. As you can see, now we have what? White, black, and red, right? Then I'll come to the red candles. I'll click it. This one is all black. For me, I'm not talking about you. For me, it's what? All black. So this is the way I love my. You can design it the best way that suits you. So if you want Nigerian color, good, green, white, green, anyhow you want to do it, you can actually do it. In fact, you can also come for the borders. Sorry, the background. Where's the background? Yes, this is the background. You can pick gradient color. Can you see? Can you see the background? But I mean, but this is looking fine. No? I've never tried this. No, I just want my black and white, please. Solid white. Thank you. I just want it simple, straightforward. It doesn't need to be hard. Whether I paint it green, white, green, whether I paint it American color, whether I paint it whatsoever color, if I don't know how to use it, I'll still lose money. You understand? So I mean, it's just the aim for me is to make it simple. So that there it is. Now, right here at the left corner, you have some tools. That you can use. Now you have all these. This is how you want your cursor to be like. As you can look and see, my cursor now is like a cross, right? If I should click this dot, you can see it's like a dot. If I should click an arrow, you can see it's just an arrow, and like that, you can see that's how it is. But I just love the cross. Now, this second place, you have different types of lines. You have this line, you can draw like this. This was what I was using yesterday. You have this. this is like this, you understand? So different, you can just go and play through this stuff, you understand? Those of you, those mathematicians or engineering students, you can see this. When a line is very straight like this, that's what, 90 degree. If it goes halfway, that's what, 45 degree. I don't even pretty much use that. I don't like things being so complicated. Let it just be simple. So you have a lot of stuff right here to use, right? You have a lot of stuff right here to use. You can just play through them. Some of them we don't use them. Now we have this tool here. We have so many things. Yes, we have so many things here, but I don't use any of these, some of these things, right? Most of them I don't use them. So you have this, your stuff right here. You can use them. These are way advanced stuff, right? You can use them, but they're just there. Now, in this place, I'll just show you these two tools. These, I use them every day. I'm going to enter a trade. I use them. Now, this is, you can see long position. What that talks about is what? A buying position. When you want to buy. Let's say, yesterday we discussed about what? About market structure, right? So let's say price has come to this low, created this low, created what? This high, created this what? Lower low. And now we expect that price should come to this lower high, right? Yes, and then we're expecting for price to go down off that place. So what do? You carry this, your short tool. This is your short position. You press it and you place here. You can see you place here, you put this right here, and then you what? Target the low, that last previous low. You target it. Now, that is how you use the short tool. Similarly, the long position tool is just the opposite of that. You can see it's just the opposite of that. So that's pretty much what that is. Now you move further, you have some tools you can use. You see that box I was using yesterday? That's where I got it from. You see some other things like the cycle I was using yesterday. That's it. That's where I got it from. And the next one, you have different types of text rather. You can, that's where you pick your text and just type gyro FX, understand, and all those stuff. Right here you have some emojis you can use. Some emojis, the dollar sign, you can increase the size and all of that. So I'm just trying to show you some of this stuff. And then let me delete everything I've got right here. So now that is it. And I told you that right here is where you what? Type in the currency pair you want to use. So whether Euro USD, whether GBP USD, whether USD Nigerian Naira, you can find it right here. Can you see it? US dollar Nigerian Naira. You can find that here. And now right here, this is not the way you are going to see it on your own, because I actually pinned some of them. The ones I use, they are what we call the time frames. Now this is the way you are going to see it. So when you click on it, you're going to see what? All the time frames. Can you see them? Starting from 1 minute, 2 minutes, 3 minutes, 4, 10, 15, 30, 45, 1 hour, 2 hours, 3 hours, 4 hours, and all of that. So any of these time frames, these times you use, and I'm going to explain what each of them means, not each of them, or what they mean rather. So if you are using the 1 minute often, you can just click on that star button to pin it. So I'm just going to click on the ones I use more often, right? I'm going to click on the ones I use more often. Yes, and now can you see how they are lined up right here? Because of what I actually pinned them there. Now, what's the importance of this time frame? They are not just there for show. Now, can you see that it is actually on 3 minutes, right? 3M means 3 minutes. Now, what that means is each and every one of these candles, these black and white things you are seeing here, these candles, these inverted rectangles, these candles you are seeing here, each and every one of them represent 3 minutes. Basically, each and every one of them represent 3 minutes. If I put it to the first one, 1 minute, you can see that it's changed, right? Each and every one of them represents what? 1 minute. If I take it to this D stands for what? Daily. That is, if I put it there, each and every one of them represents what? A day. So can you see? This was 2nd of January 2024. The next one was what? 3rd of January, 4th, 5th of January. So each and every one represents a day. That's how it keeps going. If I put it on 15 minutes, Each and every one represents what? 15 minutes. Basically, that is what it is. So now, right here, I showed you how you can save your pictures or the analysis you've done on the chart, right? You can just save it. So let's say we came to the chart one day and we just did, let's say, a regular analysis, and we did our analysis like this, you understand? And then we carry this stuff, we put it, you understand? And then we put this one also, and let's say we carry this, our long tool, we placed it right here. We did this, and then what else again? Let's just say we'll carry a very mighty dollar sign, and we'll place it right here, and we expand it, a good dollar sign. So how do you save this? If you want to be able to share the link to this chart or this analysis you've done, all you need to do is just come to the top right corner where you have this camera button, this camera icon. You click it, and what? You click download image. If you download the image, it's going to download as an image file in JPG or PNG. I don't know what file format. I didn't actually look at that. So, or you can just copy the link. Copying the link now will what? It will help you generate. Can you see down here? You click to a link to the chart has been generated, right? Then you come to your Telegram or wherever you want to send that link to, or to whosoever you want to send it. So let's say I'm sending it to you guys. I'll just click on what? Control V to paste. If you're using an Android, you know how you paste something. You long press your screen and you paste, right? And then you click what? Send. Can you see how that this thing has what? You can see it. It has what? Created this link for us. And now the link to that page is right there for us. So you can just see it that way. Now let's forge ahead. Permit me to wipe the board off. Now right here, what you have here are prices. These are prices. And because this is Euro USD, all these prices right here are what? USD, US dollar, right? These are US dollar prices. That is 1 euro equals what? So and so dollars. You get. And below here, you have time. So to the right, you have what? Prices. To the bottom, you have what? Time and price. So if you notice, as I am moving my cursor, my mouse, you can see like a cross, like dashed cross, like a line on my screen. Now, if you see, one of the line is horizontal and the other is vertical. Now, the horizontal line went straight to what? The price. And the vertical line is where? Just at time. So that's pretty much what the trading view is. The more you play through it, the more you get to know this. The more you play through it, the more you get used to it. In the beginning, I wasn't so proficient with this. I was kind of mixing up some stuff and all of that. Same with every one of us. We get here at Gyro FX. The first time we started using TradingView, understand, it was just like that. Understand? So it's just like somebody who is introduced into something new, because you might not be an expert in it immediately, but when you constantly use it, you get to know it proficiently or more effectively. Now we are done with number one. Now number two is what? Chart patterns. Now these chart patterns, how many of you have done this data presentation in your secondary school, or maybe your university days, or your higher education days, or even primary school? Data representation. Then we were told that we have bar charts, right? Bar charts, pie charts, I think histogram, and all those stuff, right? Which other one again? All those stuff, right? Line charts, yes, line charts. Now, all those stuff. So we have something similar to this in Forex. Now, we might not have all of them, but we have something similar to them. Now, in addition, we have what we call candlesticks. Now, all you can see on my screen here, all these black and white stuffs that you can see right here, all these black and white stuffs you can see right here, they are what? Candlesticks. All of them, they are candlesticks. They are what we call candlesticks. I introduced what Japanese candlesticks are to you guys yesterday in the call. Now, these are Japanese candlesticks. As you can see them, they are Japanese candlesticks right here. Now, if I should click this, you can see that what? It has turned to what? Lines. You can see that they are just what? lines like that. They are lines. You can see just lines and lines and lines. Now these are the line charts. So when you click this drop down button, you'll see a whole lot of them. But the two I use mainly are what? The candles, candlesticks, and the lines. This is bar chart. You can see how bar chart looks like. You can see it. You can click on this step line. You can see how it looks like. There are people who use some of these things, but we are giving you what we use. There are people who use these. Some of you have seen something like this before. Yes, some of you must have seen. Oh, sorry about that. Some of you must have seen something like this before, right? Yes, those crypto guys and all of that. Yes, we have these and all. So this is where you get these, but I don't use them. This is what I use mainly, and this one. And my guys, my friends know why we use only these two. Why we use only these two. So these are the few types of charts patterns we have right here in Forex, in TradingView. I'm introducing TradingView to you guys. So is there any question on TradingView? Okay, you know what? Just pen your question down. Yes, pen your question down, because after we open the demo account, we have a question and answer session where we'll be taking questions ranging from Thursday, yesterday, and today's sessions, right? So just pen your questions down and stay put. So is there any, okay, sorry. I just like saying, is there any question? Okay, so we are moving to the third one, which is what? A broker. So this is where I'm going to use this place. A broker. Now, what is a broker? Sometimes I like to call a broker as a vendor. A vendor. Now, take for instance, you want to buy something. Let's say you want to buy a device, right? You want to buy a device, whatsoever device. Okay, let's say we use our iPhone 15. You want to buy iPhone 15 right here in Nigeria. Now, you might not be able to travel all the way down from Nigeria to the Apple store. Okay, nice question, nice question. Of course, you can play straight. You can actually link your account, your trading account to TradingView. You can actually link your account to TradingView, yes, to trade. But I told you guys yesterday, I just love to explore some other stuff like that. I love to explore some other stuff like that. So imagine you want to buy an iPhone. You might not be able to travel from Nigeria down to the United States or Silicon Valley to get the iPhone 15. Now, but there is something called what? A broker. There's somebody called a middleman. Now, there's somebody who went to the United States, get these iPhones in bulk and brought them to Nigeria, and then you go to their store and you purchase this iPhone. Now, that person who does that, who breaks that channel, or who helps you get linked to the Apple company, is what you call a broker. So it's more like in business, they call it what? The wholesaler. Yes, the wholesaler goes to the producer and buys in bulk, and then what? He sells to the retailer. You understand? I'm just trying to break it down a little, because as a retailer, you can't go to the producer and say, I want to buy maybe 1 carton of noodles, I want to buy or half carton of spaghetti or all of that. They might not sell it. In fact, they won't sell it for you at all, because they don't deal in what? Small units. They deal in large units. So if you want to go to the producer, it must be that what you have large need, or you need a large supply. Let's say you want to buy 50 cartons and all of that. You understand? Because that is how they do. So now, on the first day when we're discussing what Forex is, I told you that in the Forex market, we have an average daily turnover of $6.6 trillion. Now, imagine you want to take your, let's use even $100,000. Now, $100,000 in Naira is how much, guys? Is how much? Can somebody just press that for us? What is current dollar rate today? Current dollar rate is, it's still similar. Okay, 1,336. So can somebody type in that for us? What is the current dollar rate? What was the price? $100,000 times 1,336. What was this number? Okay, 1.3. Is that 100 and these digits? Can somebody call? Somebody just dropped it for us there on the chat. Can somebody call that number for us? Is the number is doing me somehow. It's plenty. 1,336. Let's see. Okay, that's 10, yeah, 10. Okay, 133.6 million naira. Yes. Thank you. Thank you for helping me. The zeros, Mr. Pius, please, you would have used AirPods. I use comma. Oh, yes, Mr. Joshua sent it. Yes, 136. Okay, Mr. Vector, 136 million naira. Now, as huge as that money is, but do you know that compared to $6.6 trillion, $6.6 trillion, that would be how much? That would be like 6, 6, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. This is how much? Okay, I think $6.6 trillion should be somewhere around here like this. Yeah, something like that. So now, compared to $6.6 trillion, yes, compared to $6.6 trillion, how much is $100,000? That is just, it is like a drop of water in an ocean. So even if you have 130 something million naira to put, $6.6 trillion will swallow. In fact, even the money of Elon Musk, or who is the current richest man in the world, even the money of that person does not or did not reach how much? How much is Elon Musk's worth? 200 and something billion dollars, right? 200 thereabouts. Now, that is not even, you need $1,000 billion to be what? To get to $1 trillion. And somebody just have, you understand what I'm trying to say, right? Now, so we can't possibly just go to the market and click buy like that. Our money will get swallowed up. So we need somebody who will what? Have access to the market and break it down for us in pieces. So that when we want to buy, even if it's using a standard lot size, that is buying 100,000 units of currency, then we know and we understand that what? We are not going to get swallowed up because this person has what? Brought everything down to our own level. I don't know. Do we understand what a broker is or who a broker is? Do we understand who or what a broker is? Do we? All right. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Thank you, Mr. Goody Timmy. Yes, you've been active. Mr. Vector, thank you a lot. So that is who a broker is, right? So right now will be, this is 8:31. Okay, that's good. So right now we will be moving further into, okay, but before then, permit me that we just take questions on these 3 things that we discussed before we move straight to opening the demo account. Can we take questions on these 3 things? If you have a question, can you just drop 111 on the chat? If you have a question on these things, can you just drop 111 on the chat? Okay. Look at this $6.6 trillion swallowed up that 100,000. Can you see it? This is debt is swallowed up in victory. Yes, so I can see one person with a question. So Mr. Goody Timmy, are you typing or you're speaking? All right, let me fix in my earpiece. You can speak, sir. Omar.
Good evening, sir. Good evening, now.
Yeah. Okay, good evening.
Good evening, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah,
about the assignment, that's basically what I want to talk about. I was trying to navigate the trading view I had on my phone because I'm using an Android phone, but it was not as easy as this interface that you have. Yes. Then I was able to like just pick out I was not able to pick out the support and resistance level because I don't know, it was quite confusing. But the uptrend and downtrend, I was able to pick it out. But I was not able to like put a text in it that this is the uptrend this is the downtrend. I sent it to your DM because I was not even able to share the link. You said yesterday that we should
Okay.
share the link. You
Yes.
said that we
Okay.
should
Sent
share
it
the
to my
link, but
DM.
yes, I don't even know how to share the link. So I think maybe like I don't know if there's any way you can help me with that. And I tried checking the YouTube videos yesterday, but my network, sha. So maybe I'll check it
Okay.
again. Maybe there are any videos to use on Android this thing. But if there's any way you can just help me just fresh through that, maybe, or maybe after the class, sha.
Okay. I think what I'll do is maybe I'll do a video. I'll do a video on that. I'm not promising, but between now and Monday, I'll drop a video on that on the YouTube channel and probably right here on the Telegram group. That is navigating. Yes, I'll do a video on that, navigating TradingView using an Android device. Okay, so thank you very much, Mr. Goody. Does anyone have any question? All right, welcome. So I guess there's nobody with a question right now. So now we are moving straight to the next one, opening a demo account. I believe every one of us on this call right now have downloaded the MetaTrader 5. We asked that we should download this app since on Tuesday or Wednesday thereabouts, and I believe most of us, if not all, have done that. So now the person who will be handling this session is in our midst. Yes, a very wonderful person. Yes, I call him Master Planner, Mr. Mastercraft. Yeah, this is my friend and partner. Is he has not been speaking. He has not. I don't think he has even said anything in this call since day one, because he's this guy. Let me just. I don't know. I don't know what to say about him, but there's a lot to say really. But let me just keep quiet. You people will feel the impact as he takes us through the processes of opening this MetaTrader 5 account. He's the master plan. Trust me, this boot camp is here because of him, like mainly because of him. Is, oh my God, it's God's blessing to me, actually, God's gift to me. So right now, ladies and gentlemen, permit me to hand over the stage. This stage. Shall permit me to hand over this stuff to my friend and partner, Mr. Maina. Bro, it's up to you, guy.
Okay, good evening, guys. Thank you for joining the call. We appreciate each and every one of you for taking out time to be part of the call. We know it has not been easy, but and yet you're here. So thank you very much for that. So I'll be taking you guys through the process of opening a demo account using MetaTrader 5. But before I start, please, how many of you can see my screen? If you can see my screen, please just type a 111 on the group chat so I know that you can see my screen. How many? Okay, thank you, sir. So let's just go straight. If you're using an Android device, if you go to your Play Store and you type MetaTrader 5, you see it there. If you're using an iOS device, if you go to your App Store, you see that. I've already downloaded the app. So this is the app. So if you download it newly, you won't really see these codes, the charts will be empty, the trade will be like you just see the trade and everything. There's no history. So the first thing you do is come to settings. When you come to settings, let me check the group chat to make sure everyone is following me. If you're following me, please just drop a 111 so that I know. Then we'll continue. If you're following me, please drop a 111 on the group chat. Okay, thank you. So you come to settings. Once you're at settings, you see this. You see new account. You click on new account. This MetaQuota Limited. You click it. Then you see demo account. You click on demo account. Register a demo account. You click on it. You put in your details. As you can see, I've already put in my details, so there's no need. But once you put on your details, you see accept and register. So because I've already done that, I have a demo account already. So once you're done with that, you see quotes, you see your base and quote currencies, your currency pairs, you see the Euro USD, GDP, and the Great Britain pounds USD. So once you've seen all these things, the next step is the charts. You see your charts, you'll be able to navigate through the charts, you'll be able to place your trades on the chart. Let's just praise it's weekend, but let's assume that it's Monday. So let's try and place a trade. You come to trade. This plus sign here, you click on your plus sign. Let's say we want to sell. You just click on sell. You see, the market is closed, so we can't really do anything. But that's how it is. You click on sell or you click on buy, stop loss, take profits, and all these things. There's actually a video on our YouTube channel that shows you how to trade. There are basically 3 types of entries in the market. You have your market execution, your buy limit, and your sell limit. The video is here on YouTube. Market is closed. I would have taken you through the process of actually trading, and then we'll place trade and we'll see how the trade will go. But since the market is closed, this is just generally how it is. But a video will be dropped on Monday. A video will be dropped on Monday on the Telegram group on how to place a trade. You see it live and everything. But we also have more videos on the MetaTrader 5 on our YouTube channel. You go there, you see everything. How to draw trend lines. Yeah. And I think the video how to navigate the trading view would also be dropped today. The video is ready. It will be dropped on our Telegram channel. Thank you, sir. You sent okay. If you want to learn how to use the trading view, maybe you have some questions about it. The video will be dropped this night. It's ready, but that one is using a PC. But the one using a phone will be dropped on Monday latest. So if you have any questions, just go to the YouTube channel and watch the videos and answer it. So, but generally, that's just how to get a demo account. Like I said, you go to settings, you click on new account, click on your Meta Quota Limited demo account, you fill in your details, you accept, and you register. That's all. And you've gotten your demo account. Now, on navigating the demo account, a video on that will be dropped on how to trade. The market is closed, so we can't really trade. But that's the general idea for now. So I think that's the last thing today prior to the announcement. Thank you, sir. Now, there's something I want to talk to you guys about. Recently, someone told me that this generation, if you're still with me, because I think my network is a bit bad, but if you're still with me, kindly drop a 111 on the chat so I know everyone can hear me. If you can hear me, please drop a 111 on the chat, on the group chat. Can everyone hear me? Okay, still the network is a bit bad. Okay, thank you, sir. So recently, someone told me that we are the luckiest generation ever because we are so blessed now that it's super easy to make money online. Basically, there's this new trend going on Telegram whereby you just click bots, a tap, a click, and instantly you make money. And I'm like, yes, it's true. But how many of those people clicking and tapping are actually going to withdraw that money? Because it's not just about clicking and tapping. How many of you are going to actually withdraw that money? How many people know about decentralized wallets? How many people actually have wallets? How many people know about gas fees? How many people are going to claim the coins they've been striving, they've been slaving, they've been clicking to mine? How many people are actually going to withdraw those coins, claim it? It's not about tapping. At the end of the day, will you see that effort in your bank account? Will it reflect at the end of the day? So that's my question to you. For those that actually know what they're doing, for those that know what they're doing, for those that acquired the knowledge, it makes it easier for them to actually succeed, to thrive in this digital age of ours. And it's the same with trading. Okay, fine, yes, you know who a broker is, you know uptrend, downtrend, higher high, lower low, higher low, and all those things. Very good. You know the time zones, you know the currency pairs, you know Euro USD, you know Japanese yen. Fine and good. All these things are exciting. And yes, those are the essentials in Forex. It's good you know these things, because if you don't know them, then Forex will seem like a gamble to you. It will just look like talk. You'll be like, how can you just press buy and make $1,000, or press sell and make $1,000? It's not just about clicking buying, selling. There are technical analysis that actually come with all these things, fundamental analysis. Like that Jerry effect, we use smart money, the smart money concepts. That is the trading that's the trading technique we use to trade. And we can't teach you everything in 3 days. That's just the truth. We can't teach you everything you need to know in 3 days. So that was why I divided the bootcamp into 3 phases. The first is the essential class, where we teach you all the essentials about Forex. All you need to know about the essentials of Forex. What is Forex? Who can trade Forex? When can you trade Forex? The currency pairs, the market structure. But it extends to that. Day one, you guys witnessed one of our students. Like I said, it will surprise you to know that prior to that, 5 months ago, complete newbie. He was just like you. He had this message, he heard it, he believed in it, he took the word for it, and he stayed. For those of you that are going to stay, the guarantee here is that if you stay, you'll be able to do this. Other block will not seem like mystery. Breakout structure is not going to see something big. Liquidity, IPO, all these things are going to be normal to you. So for this very reason, there's going to be advanced class. The advanced is going to be aimed at teaching you how to trade the forex market. It's not just understanding the forex market, it is how to trade the forex market. Yes, market structure is important. You need to know the direction the market is going to be able to trade it. But there are other indicators. At the advanced class, you would learn those indicators. You would learn how to analyze that. You will learn why this is important, why other block is important. It's not just there, it is important. Why liquidity is also important. You will learn all these things in the advanced class. Now, but there's something very, very important. The advanced class is not going to be free. I wanted to make it free, but certain circumstances have prevented it free. So the advanced class is going to go for 7,000 naira. For the first 10 people that actually come to this offer and believe in Jerry FX trade and are willing to, among those first 10 people, we're going to give them a discount of 2,000 naira. So you can pay 5,000 for the first 10 people. The first 10 people can pay 5,000 naira. Please make good use of this offer. This is the second time we're making this offer. Please make good use of this offer. A time will come whereby it would be too easy for all of this. Jerry FX is a community program. It's a community trading company. We want to see everyone around us succeed, and that is why we started this. We put value before money. We put value before money. We want to teach you. We want each and everyone there to be a profitable trader. It's not just about money, but we also want you to profit from it. We want you to be successful from it. So we're going to hold your hand from the essential class up to the basic class. We'll hold your hand all through it until you withdraw your first dollar. Until you withdraw your first dollar from that account. That is what we are here to do. We're not just here to teach you. No, we will teach you, we will hold your hand until you withdraw that first dollar from that trading account. Thank you, guys. I hope each and every one of you at the advanced class. The advanced class is going to 2 weeks from now. The date is going to be dropped in the WhatsApp group as well as the Telegram group. So 2 weeks from now, we'll be having our advanced class. Thank you, guys. Thank you so much for listening to me. And I'll hand over to my colleague. He says nice things about me. I have so many nice things to say about him. But I'll tell each and every one of you at the advanced class. Thank you very much. And what?
Okay. Thank you very much, Mr. Maina. Thank you for that. Oh, that's touching. That's awesome. I think we have a prayer point that we need to do to give on behalf of, or in the stead of Mr. Maina. I don't know why he does not like talking too much. He's the complete opposite of me when it comes to talking, right? Yes, don't worry. Vigil of this month, you have my prayer. You have my prayer, brother. I'll take you to the Lord in prayers. You must start opening your mouth. Guys, he has said it all. Now you've seen how to open the demo account, right? Now, is my own perspective, personally, that you would move with the demo account first until you get your feet solid. Trust me, $10 now is over 13,000 naira, and I wouldn't want anybody. I don't want anybody to lose 13,000. 13,000 naira might not look okay. It might look much to some people, but I wouldn't want you to lose. I remember the last boot camp we had. Yes, I think the price wasn't high. It was the same. I think it was little money then too. And then for this person to pay for class, the person came to my DM and was like, "Sir, can I fund my account? Can I fund my account with $10? I want to." I tried to convince the guy not to fund. He should go for knowledge. But I guess he was thinking maybe I was after his money. How much? He was thinking maybe I was after his money, and then I guess he went ahead to fund, and the rest, he lost the money, of course. He lost the money. And at the end, it was like, "FOREX is calm, is calm, is calm, is calm." Well, I've left him to his thoughts. You can only do so much for people, right? You can only do so much for people. Yes, there's this popular saying that you can lead, is it a horse to the river, but you can't force it to drink of the water. Yes, that's true. That's true. So it is not a compulsory stuff, but what we are just here, we are presenting you an opportunity. Trust me. I remember 2019, this opportunity was 2018, sorry. This opportunity was presented to me at Sheraton's Hotel here in Lagos, around Anthony Way, Ikeja. The opportunity was presented to me, and what we were charged. Oh God! I think they even said we needed to fund at least $100 in our accounts, and then after funding $100, we also need to pay certain amount of dollars, some hundreds of dollars for the class. And I was not having Shingbai 2018. Struggling boy in the university, right? Struggling boy in the university, and that was it. But here we are presenting it to you with just five boys, five 7,000 naira, yes. And for these first 10 people, 5,000 naira. Yes, it might look much, it might look small. I don't know, depends on your pocket. But what we are just saying is, don't let tomorrow you come and you are saying had I known. See, procrastination is a killer of visions, is a killer of dreams, is a killer of purpose. Yes, tomorrow. There are so many things, so many businesses I would have done while I was in secondary school. But I was like, tomorrow I'll do it. But the thing I came to realize is, even when I'm saying tomorrow I'll do it, tomorrow I'll do it, tomorrow I'll do it, the tomorrow will still come. It's just that tomorrow you are saying you will do it will later become today, and will later what become yesterday. Yes, you have got an opportunity today to make the rest of your life the best of your life. Trust me. Like, I think on the first day of the call, I was like, I will never be poor in my life. Trust me, I waved poverty bye bye, and poverty waved me back comfortably. Yeah. So we have waved each other bye bye. So it's never possible. I was jokingly telling somebody one day like that. Sorry, this is me that loves talking, right? I was telling somebody, okay, I know I might not know I'm not married, I'm not in a relationship, right? I was like, I might not know the lady, I might not know all those stuff and all of that. I told my guy, my children will not know the meaning of poverty until they check dictionary, or until when we go out to do some charitable work. You understand? Because I have made covenant with myself, with God, and with my destiny, that in this generation, in this life, it is God that will help us. So we are presenting to you this opportunity. You can take it, you can let it slip off your hands. But trust me, before the year runs out, me, I don't know about my partner. I've started to learn how to charge. I've started to learn how to charge for value that I have, right? I'm not charging in naira. God forbid. God forbid. I'm not saying naira is bad, but I'm not charging in naira. I'll be charging in dollars. And I'm not charging small, no small dollars. What are you saying? I mean, no small dollar. I'm not charging what is going to be for data. I'm not charging that what's going to be for data. Yes. So, but the choice is yours now. The ball is on your court. So you can send a DM to me or to my partner. Is an admin in the WhatsApp group, and also an admin. So any of the admins here on Telegram or in the WhatsApp group, you can send a DM, and then, or we'll drop you a link that will send you directly to the DM you get. So please do well, try your best. I'm not saying it's a must, but what I'm trying to tell you is this: the choice is yours, guys. The choice is yours. I made this choice. Yes, I made this choice some time ago, and when I made this choice, it was not because I had a mentor. Trust me, I've lost. Before I started funding my account, I lost some thousands of naira, not dollars, some thousands of naira, trying to pay for mentorship online and all of that. You understand? And what I would say is, those guys didn't give me what I paid for, because I failed to do my research. But right here, we have presented to you people who have gone through through these sessions, like you are, or like you're doing. Even one of them presented what he knows to you on that day, and you saw he made cool 30 something dollars from right in that class. That was 30 something dollars or thereabout. Have you forgotten? You understand? So please and please, take this opportunity. Take this opportunity. Take this opportunity. Trust us, even we right here in GyroFX, we pay money for classes. Me personally, I still pay to learn. I still pay to learn more. I still pay to learn more. My boss is currently is in Ogun State, here in Ogun State, or in Ogun State rather. I've not met him before. Sometimes he comes to Lagos, but we have never met. But guy, the bond that is there. Because what? I understand what value is. You pay for value. You want the real value, you pay for it. You are free if you want to go to YouTube channels, or you listen to people and you get free stuff. I mean, you're free to go do that. It's just that you get your fingers burnt. I got my fingers burnt for over 2.5 years, flowing through free stuff on YouTube. You get, but you are free to go and test run it. Experience is best teacher, they said, right? Good. But please, not always your experience. You can learn from other people's experience. So the ball is on your court, guys. Now, like I said, we are open for questions, and yes, for questions. So we are bringing in the session now. It's time for questioning right from day one, or any question you have on the advanced course, like my partner said. Any questions you have, I'll be removing my microphone right now using an earpiece so I could listen to, or I can listen to your speech, or I can listen to you speaking basically. So thank you. I'm right here. You can speak. Speak, for your boy is listening. I can see a number of people here. Mr. Pius, Susu, my dear friend. You can see Okwe Gloria, Adi Joseph, Rohama, Marvel Moses, Big Man Jonas, Goody Timmy, Vector, Miss Tonia Okangla. I can see you guys. So, does anybody have any question? Please, let's not, like I told you yesterday, we won't be wasting much time today. Not wasting, but won't be spending much time tonight. So, if you have any question, please just straight ahead, unmute your mic and you speak.
Hello, sir.
Okay, Mr. Timmy is speaking. Okay,
not
Mr.
really
Timmy,
that-
you can go ahead. Mr. Jonas, just give him. I can't hear you. Am I just the only
Okay,
one?
not really that I have a
Or did I
question, but
place
I'm
the
just
wrong?
like
Oh,
I'm
sorry, I
interested.
placed the wrong.
Uh,
Okay, I can hear you now.
yes, sir. I'm interested in the advanced class. Then the demo account that we were taught this night, I was not able to create it.
Don't worry.
Yeah, so that's my question.
Okay.
But
I
I'm
want to believe
interested in the advanced.
most of us here are using Android, right? Right. Okay. So I'll use my Android phone and also do the video. Yes, but what he explained is exactly the same thing. Like, I might not be able to explain even that better, but I'll still do the video. So that means you are giving me assignment for 2 videos. Of course, we'll do that for the people. So I'm going to do 2 more videos, right? I'm going to open, I'll do it tonight. In fact, before leaving this city, immediately we're done with this call, I'll do the video on how to open the MetaTrader 5 because it's important. And like I said yesterday, we will be, what am I saying? We'll be taking a live trade on Monday, God's willing, on the 3rd of June. Sorry, 3rd of June 2024. Yes. So yes, you are interested in the live in the advanced course. Yes, you can just send me. Okay, I think you're the one who just sent me. Who sent me a message on Telegram. Okay, after the call, then we will communicate. Yes. Thank you very much. Yeah, Mr. Jonas.
Yes, sir. Sorry, my network might be a bit bad because it's raining at my place. So,
Oh,
my question
in
is,
Yola, abi? Okay.
yeah, I've left Yola. I'm in Jalingo now. I'm in Taraba.
Okay. Great.
Yes, sir. So, my question is, what should we be expecting after the advanced class? Like when we are done going through the advanced class, are we actually liable? Are we qualified to actually trade our own
Of course.
account and our
Yes.
money, and we could
Yes.
actually make money, or is there an advanced level again apart from just this advanced class? After the advanced class, will there be another level to teach us something deeper or more strategy and stuff like that?
Now this is it. We have, like my partner said, we have three sectors, or 3 sections, right? We have the essentials, which is this one right now. We have the advanced and the mentorship. Now you know what mentorship is, right? Now from the advanced course, you are equipped. But now, what the mentorship does for you is it makes you accountable to us. Number one, it makes you accountable to us and us accountable to you also. And then in the mentorship, we show you how, or we show you, because there are companies that want people to trade for them. They have the money. They are looking for people who can trade for them. So we show you how to get it. Now, the certificates I showed you guys rather on the first night. Now, one of them is from one of those companies. Now, I trade for them. You understand? I trade for them. So you get funded with $3,000, you understand? Because we understand that it is pretty much hard for people to, I mean, $3,000 is not a small money right now. It's over 4 million naira. So can you bring up that amount? Because the more money you have as the balance for trading, the more lot size you can use and the more your profit will increase. You get linking lot size and profitability and all of that. So now, but with the advanced course, you can be able to trade. You understand? It's just that after the advanced course now, after the advanced course, let's say the advanced course ends today, we might just give a grace of 1 or 2 weeks, you understand, where we guide you or you ask every questions you have regarding what you've been taught. Understand? But when it gets to the mentorship, we hold your hand for a year and beyond, you understand? And you become part of the community per se. As you can see, one of the guys that taught you guys on the first night is in the mentorship you get. So we don't only, like I said in the first night, we don't only, we are not trying to just teach people how to trade. We are trying to raise a community of like-minded people, because our one of our goals is change. Now, I'm not saying Buhari change, but like, you get my point, right? Yes, you get my point. So there's another level, but the advanced course equips you, and you what be able to what place your trades. You'll be able to place your trades and get your cash out. You understand? Like, it's rinse and repeat. It's the same thing, brother, Mr. Jonas. So I don't know if you're clear on that. If you're not, maybe I can explain.
I'm very, very clear, sir. Thank you so much. But
All right.
in the mentorship class, will there be another fee attached to it? Will he also have his own separate fee?
The mentorship, of course. Of course.
Okay.
Yes, there will be.
Okay.
There will be. There will be.
Okay, I just wanted to know so that we can work on that as well,
All
because it's
right.
very,
There will
very
be.
necessary, especially it's not just good for us to just know how to trade and then not have mentorship. Please, mentorship is one of the most paramount things, if I'm not mistaken, especially in
Yes.
trading. Yes, sir.
Sure,
Thank you
sure,
so
sure.
much.
I think that answers Mr. Goody Timmy's question also. I think he just dropped similar question on the chat right now. So yes, you pay. But the thing is, just go for the advanced course. I always tell people that there are a lot of people who try to bother themselves with funding their accounts. No, 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 no. You don't bother yourself with funding. Don't bother yourself yet with funding. That's what I'm trying to say. Get the knowledge. Somebody asked me some time ago, okay, if he should put $50 or $100, how long will it take for him to double it? I laughed. I told him he will never double it. He's going to lose everything, because in forex you don't. Yes, he's going to lose everything. You don't put eye on the money, because one of the things I also teach wealth creation. Now, one of the things I understand, or one of the things I came to understand, is that you don't. One of the greatest mistakes you will make is pursuing money or pursuing wealth. If you pursue wealth, it will run. What you do is you attract wealth. You don't pursue wealth. Don't ever try pursuing money. The day you start pursuing money, you will forever lose it. What you do is you attract it. You attract it by who you become. Because money, you are like a magnet, and money is like metal. So when you try to pursue it, what's just going to be is that you are on the same pole. So it will keep running away from you. But when you don't pursue it, you become, the more magnetized you become, the more you attract wealth. So don't put your eyes on the money, please. Become what you're supposed to become, and the money will come. Money follows value. So learn to build the value. When you build the value, the money will come, guys. The money will. See, don't. Let me not start preaching. Let me not start preaching before. Hey. So that's pretty much what it is, guys. So I know there is tap swap. There is a tap swap and so many tapping. Somebody asked me today that are you tapping? I did as if I didn't hear. Are you doing tap swap? I was like, tap. In my mind, I said, go for bid. Now, I'm not saying it's bad. I'm not saying it's bad, but I love to be in control of what I'm doing. Now, for me, one of the things that didn't make me go into alcohol and all of this stuff is not as if I never had bad friends then. Now I don't. It's not as if I never had bad friends then. But I want to be in charge of anything I was doing. Before I repented, I wanted to be in charge of anything I was doing, you understand? So I don't want to be under the influence of something I can't control. So when I'm not high, you get, I'll not be doing, you know, that kind of thing. Yes. So I won't be able to control TapSwap. If the owner of TapSwap decides not to launch, that means I'm not getting any money and I wasted my data. But with Forex, I decide when I come in in 2020 during COVID-19. That was the year there was a breakout for me in Forex. Now, when somebody asked me for money, I think some amount like that. Okay, my friend and I went to Jump Block, right? Main market in Yola. We are closing now. Went to the main market and went to ask for something. How much is it? And then we were told the price. It was quite some amount. And then we went back. We told him that we are coming back the following day. We never had shishi. You get? Told him we were coming back the following day. And that day, we traded that money out. It came and we drew and we went to, you understand? Because it was something we could control. I can be Notcoin. People have been waiting for Notcoin since January. People were mining for what? Almost 5 months. They were mining Notcoin. And then because people saw how Notcoin was successful, so a lot of people now want to tap. So no wine tapper, happy tapping, please. For those that want to keep tapping, please tap when TapSwap eventually pays you. Don't forget to send us kites. So thank you very much, guys. More information on the advanced course will be dropped from Monday or even tomorrow. Tomorrow or Monday, more information will be dropped. Please do enjoy this month. In the remaining months of this year, please plan your life very well. Whether you're a student, whatsoever level, plan your life. It is what you plan that you have control over. Plan your life. We know life can happen, things can happen, but still what? Plan your life. Make sure that your life is planned. As you plan it, God will what? God will see that you're doing your best and He's going to favor what you're doing. Learn to plan your life. Don't live your life by chance. Don't live. This is not part of the boot camp, but don't live your life by chance. Please, I beg you, don't live your life by chance. Whether you are a lady, whether you're a guy, whether you're married, whatsoever level, whatsoever endeavor of life you're in, please don't live your life by chance. So in this month and in the remaining months to come in the year 2024, make it a year that counts. They said no grief for anybody in this year. No grief for even yourself. That nonchalant attitude, no grief for harm. Let me not speak pidgin in case we have Ajebutters here, right? Me, I'll be better at Ajepaco. But God is lifting me. My children will be better potter, right? So thank you very much, guys. We are pleased to have you these 3 days. Thank you very much. In case you have any question, please, for as long as the group is opened, it will be open between now and the next 2 weeks. Please ask your questions. Ask your questions. Ask your questions. And every analysis I do, or the analysis we do in our group, in the mentorship, I'll be dropping it. Tomorrow we're even having session with the guys. We do have sessions time to time like that in the mentorship. So I'll be dropping the analysis. If you have question, anything you have, please do well to drop it. The guys are there to answer you. Trust me, the mentorship guys are here. They will answer you. Please and please. I beg you in the name of God. Take it serious. Take yourself serious. Take your life serious. Enough of these gallivanting around. In fact, if you are a guy here and you are still gallivanting without any bearing, trust me, hey, may the Lord help us. So see you guys in the advanced course. If you have any question, like I said, drop it. We are here to help you or to assist you. Thank you very much. It has been an honor being your host or speaking to you guys for the past 3 days. It's been an honor. I wish we could do this again tomorrow, but that might not be possible because of the constraint of the boot camp. So thank you for your time. Thank you for your love. Thank you. You mean a lot to us, and we will never take you for granted. You've been part of our journey thus far, and we are great to have you. Please do enjoy the rest of your evening and the rest of your weekend. Cheers and God bless. Or does anybody have anything to say before I go off? Does anybody have anything to say? Anybody have anything to say, please? Anybody?
Boss.
All right.
We
Thank you,
too
Mr.
want to say,
Jonas.
I
Thank
want
you.
to say
Thank you
thank
very
you for
much.
your time.
Thank you
For the
very much.
this boot camp was really a life-changing boot camp. And a lot of us, our story will start from there. Anytime in the future, we start to tell people how we made it. It will always start from the boot camp. And it was
Yeah, thank you.
nice. And we're very happy, honestly. Thank you so much for
Yeah.
the sacrifice. And Direct FX, we can't thank you enough for all you do.
Mm.
The mentors, you guys were wonderful. You did very well throughout the boot camp. And we hope for more of this in the future, please. Thank you so much, and God bless you, son.
Oh, amen. Thank you, brother. Thank you. Thank you. Anybody else? Or we call it a boot camp? Okay. Can I pin this video? Is it this particular night's video? Is that what they're saying, Miss Susu? Okay. Anyways, all videos will be all right. Thank you. It will be pinned immediately after this call. It will be downloaded and then sent accordingly. Thank you very much, guys. Please do enjoy the rest of your weekend, like I said, and God bless you. Bye.